Dear children, welcome to the class. Today we are doing 10th class English second unit, wit and humor. What is the meaning of wit and humor? Wit and humor means having fun. Wit and humor means having fun. In this unit, this is a theme. Wit and humor is a theme. In this unit, we have A reading and B reading, one play. Play means drama. What is the name of that play? The Dear Departed. The Dear Departed. What is the meaning of Dear Departed? Going away of one closed person, that is called Dear Departed. Who is going to be departed here? We see in this play. In this play, we have the characters. Abel Merriweather. He is a father. He is an old man. He is a father. Amelia and Elizabeth are daughters of Abel Merriweather. Slater is husband of Amelia. Ben Jordan is husband of Elizabeth. Amelia and Slater have a daughter. What's the name of their daughter? Victoria. Victoria. These are the characters. Abel Merriweather used to live along with Amelia and Elizabeth. Abel Merriweather's wife died. After her death, she used to live along with Amelia and Elizabeth. Now he is living with Amelia. Amelia came to Abel Merriweather's home. She is staying at Abel Merriweather's home. One day, Abel Merriweather drank alcohol and slept. He slept for a long time in the morning. He did not wake up in the morning. Then Amelia thought Abel Merriweather was died. She informed that to Slater and Victoria. She informed Slater and Victoria to dress in black, to wear a black dress. People wear a black dress at a death ceremony. Some people wear black dress at a death ceremony. Then she asked Slater and Victoria to wear black dress. She also informed to Elizabeth and Ben Jordan about father's death. They were also coming. Meantime, Amelia stole valuables from Abel Merriweather's room. After some time, Elizabeth and Ben Jordan arrived. They also were in black dress. Why were they in black dress? That is a dress code at the time of death. Elizabeth and Ben Jordan came there. Then Elizabeth asked, how did it happen? Amelia wept, cried, and said about the things. Last night father slept. In the morning he did not wake up and died, she told. Then Elizabeth asked about the property, all these things. Then their husbands, let's have tea first. After that we discuss the property. They wanted to take tea. They were preparing tea. They were ready to take tea. Then what happened? Suddenly something happened. Amelia sent Victoria to bring something to Abel Merriweather's room. That time Victoria saw Abel Merriweather was getting up. Victoria came downstairs and told, Mother, mother, mother. Then Amelia asked, what happened, Victoria? Why are you shouting? Then Victoria told, Grandpa got up. Then Amelia told, what are you talking? Yes, I have seen grandpa got up. After some time, Abel Merriweather came downstairs. The Abel Merriweather asked, "Why are you in black?" Elizabeth and Ben Jordan, "When did you come? Why did you come?" In this way, he asked questions. After asking questions, he realized that his daughters are after his property. They do not love him at all. They are very selfish. They are very selfish. He realized that. He got angry. He decided one thing: I want to change my will. Now I am not going to give my property to you people. I go away from this home. Next, he announced another thing. What's it? He announced that I am going to marry again. Who announced marriage? Abel Merriweather announced that I am going to marry again. I am going to marry the owner of Ring O Bells. What is Ring O Bells? That's the name of a restaurant. I am going to marry the owner of Ring O Bells. Her name is John Shorrocks. Miss John Shorrocks. In this way, he announced his marriage, and he welcomed his family members to his marriage. He went away. What is the name of this story? The Deer Departed. Who is departed? Abel Merriweather. Abel Merriweather was dear to his daughters. He was departed from his daughters. This is the story, The Deer Departed. In this drama, I have told this drama as a story. We could write any discourse in another discourse. For example, here, this is a drama. I have told it as a story. We could write a story as a drama. In discourse writing, we have to learn all these things. In this drama, we have so many funny elements. That's why the unit's name is Wit and Humor. Come to the next reading. This is A reading and B reading. The Deer Departed, A reading and B reading. Same drama. Now come to C reading. The Brave Potter. This is an Indian folk tale. Folk tale means, first of all, tell me what is the meaning of tale. Tale means a story. T-A-L-E. Tale means story. Folk tale means a story is told from generations to generations, is passed from generations to generations. That is called a folk tale. This Brave Potter is a folk tale. Now we go into the story. One day, it was getting dark. It was raining. Then a tiger went into a hut. H-U-T, hut. It was very dark in the hut. Then an old woman entered the hut. She said, "This leak is very dangerous than the tiger." That was raining. Hut was leaking. Then this old woman told, "This leak, L-E-A-K, leak. This leak is very dangerous than the tiger." Tiger heard the word leak, and tiger thought that old man is saying leak is dangerous than the tiger, then leak is very dangerous. He was afraid. Who was afraid? Tiger was afraid and sat in the corner. Meantime, a potter entered the hut. A potter. Who is potter? The person who makes pots. Potter entered the hut. This potter went to the forest to cut the firewood along with his donkey. In the afternoon, he went his home to eat food. After eating food, his wife gave him toddy. He drank toddy, again returned toddy, slept for some time, and returned to the same place where he tied the donkey. When he reached there, he found that donkey escaped. Then he got angry. He was searching for donkey. When he was searching for his donkey, he went into that hut. He went into that hut. In that hut, it was very dark. Tiger was sitting in the corner of the hut. He thought that's his donkey. He pet the tiger very much. Tiger was very afraid. Why? Tiger thought this creature is leak. This man is a leak. So tiger did not say anything. This man climbed on the tiger, bit the tiger a lot. He brought the tiger to his home. He tied the tiger in front of his home and slept. In the morning, so many people gathered in front of his house to see the tiger. Then Potter got up. He saw the tiger in front of his house. He fainted. He told, no, I brought my donkey. I did not bring this tiger. And he fainted. Meanwhile, an enemy army attacked on the kingdom where the Potter was living. King got the information about this brave Potter who brought the tiger to his house, who ride on the tiger. He rode on the tiger and brought the tiger, tied the tiger in front of his house. King heard about it. King sent the order to this Potter to come to him. Potter went to the king. King made him the general of his army. He provided a horse to him. Here Potter, he did not know how to ride the horse. Then he asked his wife to tie his hands and legs to horse back to learn the riding. His wife tied the legs. When she was going to tie the hands, horse started running. When horse started running, this Potter started shouting, stop, stop, stop. By saying that, he was catching this tree and that tree. Meanwhile, he caught a slender tree. Meanwhile, he caught a slender means delicate tree. That tree came out of its roots. Enemy army saw this man on the horse with a tree which is uprooted from the roots. Already enemy army got the information about this brave Potter and his story about the tiger. Enemy angry were afraid. Enemies were afraid. They ran away. The king of enemy army wrote a letter to the king of Potter's kingdom and he ran away. In that way, this Potter won the battle or war for his kingdom. Okay, this is a very funny story. In this, Potter, actually he was very innocent. He did not do any type of adventures or brave things, even though he got the name Brave Potter. This is the C reading in this unit. What is the name of the unit? Wit and Humor. Students, I hope you might have understood it. Thank you.